Hello, if you want to disable the mobile data warning on POCO X7 Pro, then first of all you need to go to security. Now over here you might need to scroll down just a little bit to find the data usage option. If you don't have it, then scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open the toolbox, and then over here you will find data usage. Select it. Now tap on this gear icon in the top right corner, and over here you will find data usage warning. Now this is for the SIM card 1 because I have two SIM cards. Then I have two options. In this case, I only have it for my SIM card 1, but you might have it for your second SIM card as well if you use it. And then over here we can disable the daily data usage limit. Sorry about that. You can also, of course, adjust the warning as well. So you can enable and disable the warning on the lock screen. You should be able to choose what should happen when you exceed the limit. And you can also adjust the size over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.